here I'm removing the old floor in the laundry. So these days you don't need a laundry this big. So this floor has been repaired a few times. 1992 was the last time it had something on it. It's had a couple of holes cut up and there's a bit of plumbing coming through. There's actually nothing connected to it. So that would have been the old water for the water trough, laundry trough. But I punched a hole through the brick and put a new one in at some stage. So nothing there, but just sitting there. So there's a hole in the floor, and yeah, I've just patched it over and it just sits there. So I've got to remove this because I need to get to that steel pipe that's laying there, because that's going to be where my new water or my new sewage goes, because in where the kitchen is going to be an ensuite. So I'm just showing you how I rip up floorboards. So these are Tasmanian oak, hardwood floors, nailed to beautiful hardwood timber, and it's hard to get up. It is hard work. I can use my trusty crowbar, I've had since I was 14, and I've shared that enough times. Still hard on the old body. I prefer to use the Matic. This is an old second-hand one. You can buy new ones, but an old second-hand one is a much higher quality steel than your new one. So buy an old bloke's Matic, put a new handle on it. So I use this to pull up the floorboards, because they are now on hard. I've been here for a long time. So best thing for leverage. So just go underneath, a bit at a time, just work your way along. Until you get and mind the nails. So at least this house is new enough to have tongue and groove. Flooring. Rubber's house at Port Surreal. I've just rough sawn. So actually the nice boards, but pulling them up this way unfortunately destroys the tongue, so I won't be able to use them, which is a shame. It's also quite rotten over here. And they've cut holes. There's a hole cut there, there was a hole cut here. So, and in quite a few places in this house I've cut holes, so they've obviously had issues with plumbing in the past. So they cut a hole in the floor, get in, see what's there, do what they've got to do. This will become a concrete floor. So I won't be cutting any holes in it. And this part will be part of the kitchen, which should go out that way. So, but yeah, this is my best demolishing tool when I'm pulling timber apart. It is a godsend. So hopefully all of you find this handy and hopefully useful. Thanks for watching.